All right, I'm here at MOXY's already, getting ready to go up to our floor. Elevator is so dark, but it's cutesy. It's demure. Okay, so this is it, the MOXY Hotel. This room is so small, very small. So it's like a little sink, complimentary. Oh, no, they're not. The water is $5. This right here is the shower. So this part right here is the toilet. All right. And then on the other side, oops, there's a shower. I don't know what style you would call this, honestly. Is it like an industrial style? Okay. Have like the old-fashioned phone. Here's the bed. Directly in front of the bed, there's a TV. I think this is like industrial because it's like the pipings and stuff like that. Little tiny chair. And I got the partial viewing. So here's my view, partial viewing, straight across, it's like a wall. They said that they're gonna see if they can upgrade us tomorrow, being so it's our first time here and it's our little birthday trip. So we'll see if they were crowded now. But yeah, the room was really small though, honestly. I guess it's catty. It's not really my style though. This is not really my style, but it's cute. I mean, you know, I'm more of a luxury type girl. I'm a luxury girl. What is this? Where is this from?
Empanada Mama.
All right, so I'm trying to Empanada Mama. It's from Empanada Mama, and I got an empanada. And this right here is supposed to be the pizza. Pepperoni pizza one.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I did bite it already, you guys. And then I was like, who am I? Am I a YouTuber? You know, I was like, he'll get this. Anyway. I'm not gonna hold you guys. So my phone went dead. I ate the empanada. It was okay. It was really mushy on the inside though, almost like baby food consistency. But it was all right. You know what I'm saying? Nothing to write home about. It's not like I'm gonna be like, ooh, I need to go to Empanada. What is it? Empanada Mama. You know, it ain't gonna be like that, but it was all right. My nails. I think they're so cute. Yo, why is this phone not focusing? Why is it not focusing? Yes. Outfit check. Alright, so I have on these pull-up black pants. They do zip down in the back. And I got these from Fashion Nova the other day. You guys seen it already. You know what it is. And then I have on the black. This is up underneath here. It's just your basic black turtleneck, which I got from H&M last year. This right here, oops, this place is mad small. All right, so this right here is the green sweater that I got from Temu. Here it is. This is the look. Oh, and the shoes that I have on, I just have one of these pair of black. How did I get these? I ordered these from VSW. These are called, what are they called? Crown Vintage. Crown Vintage. So that's the look. Get into it, honey. I got them gold jewelry. Just a pair of basic gold earrings. My Michael Kors watch. And that's it. I would do a spin for you guys, but like totally the place is just like mad small. Like really. Let me walk up. I gotta do a walk up. So I have to maneuver. Get into it.
Pictures or videos?
Do you want to?
Yes, I've been taking like posing and everything. Hey guys, so we're at Clinton's. What is that? Baking what?
Clinton Street Baking.
Clinton Street Baking. Yes, that's where we are. And I think I'm gonna be trying some strawberry banana pancakes and some mac and cheese.
Wow, that's a combination.
Thank you. I would like to just get the whole like menu, get me, and figure out what I want, just like that.
All right, so the place is called Clinton Street Baking Company, and it's known for like its pancakes and stuff like that. But you guys, I don't mean to be a Debbie Downer, but I like to give y'all the 411. The pancakes was not all that. I'm telling you, they were big, they were fluffy, but it just was missing something. It was just regular. It was just like going to the deli and telling them to make you some pancakes, and then they had like the toppings. And I'm not gonna hold you, the blueberry topping, it was good, but it just not the rave like the way people say, oh, Clinton Street, but no, it's not. I'm telling you. You know what? Let me make you some pancakes. Then you'll be like, yo, let me go to Twyla's kitchen and get some pancakes. But it was just okay, y'all. Like if you feel for some pancakes and some little toppings, then I would say yes, go. I mean, the pancakes were fluffy. They were huge, and you would get your pancake fix. Like you'll say, oh, okay, I had some pancakes, but it's not like the rave. And when you see the pictures of it and everything, it looks like, it's like, yo, I'm gonna tear this up. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna no. And then I had like a fried tomato. Well, my sister did. She let me try hers. It's a -0. I don't know who called themselves frying that tomato. They are no, absolutely not. It was just a -0. The grits. Who told them to make grits? Who? The grits was like, it looked like paste and it tastes like paste. And then the little shrimp they had on top, it was just full of hot pepper. Not seasoned. I don't like when people think seasoning is just something hot, It has to have flavor with that little kick of heat. So, like, it was just, it was no ma'am. I would definitely not be, going back. It's not like I'm gonna hunt them down and be like, yo, I gotta go to Clinton's. Definitely not. Nope. And everybody said the same thing. Like, nobody really enjoyed the food, like, yeah. But again, like if you're hungry and you want a pancake and you're not looking to be like, oh my God, I want a world greatest pancake. Yeah. I saw that little tomato. That was a fried tomato right there I picked up. Like, child, they just stuck it into a hot pot of grease and gave it a little coating on the top, and that was it. No seasoning whatsoever. Absolutely no seasoning. Don't do that. Don't do that. No, but all right, let's continue. Oh yeah, and then they also people be talking about their hot maple syrup. Child, please give me some original maple syrup, please.